Full treats.
Okay, I'm going to spur this way. Give her one more, and move you in.
Okay. Spraying for flies.
Who's that baby up there?
That looks like,
Oh,
That's Hope.
is that Hope?
Yeah.
I like her name one.
Aloma doesn't look like she's pregnant. That's Francesca is.
Oh my.
He always is telling me when he tries to be friends with them, especially cats, but they always
Mama, are you still on?
Francesca!
Mama, are you still on your YouTube?
every time I was
Francesca, baby, come here.
every time I would take him on a walk with a stray cat.
Francesca!
She said, keep an eye on Phoebe and Paloma. Both are bagging up. We are on alert. They could potentially have a baby in cage.
So that's Paloma right there. Check, baby. I don't know.
See any boobs sticking out? Hi, friend. Hi, Fallon. She looks like she's just hanging out.
I think it's spider bite.
Patrick to brush and clean the pool. Mama to wrap lumpia.
We all have a task to do.
And Mama, your task is not to get your hands filthy and to stop.
One of these is Paulina.
To make
This one is
some
Paulina.
lumpia and long me some.
She's over there.
But my task is nothing since
And I'm just to track down one. I forgot to bring my sprayer. Shit.
Wasp.
I gotta find the wasp nest.
Fallon, are you okay? You don't look okay.
She says Paloma's the other one with pink eye.
I told you. I remember.
She said, make sure we brought up Paloma to treat her pink eye. Which one is Paloma?
Right there.
Alright.
Right there.
The different color ones.
The pregnant
You
one.
have to check her eye. See.
She's pregnant.
I just don't want her eye to be completely white.
Get out. Check
So
her
that eye is fine. That eye is fine. What about the other one?
Hello, Ma. Come here, baby.
It seems
Looks like it's the right eye. I don't know.
Come here. Come here.
You can get out.
Come here, baby.
Don't look bad.
Come on.
Oh, Penelope.
Yeah, it looks like her left eye.
Looks like her right eye.
The right eye. Give me the spray.
No, it looks like the left.
Did you bring the
This side.
medicine?
She can tell me she uses shots now. She doesn't
Oh.
use the cream anymore. She uses that's how she treated Goldie with a shot.
Even better than.
Well, give me the spray. Let me spray her.
Better
She's
than.
got a lot of...
You can't reach her from here, honey. Don't waste it.
Well, get closer then. Come here, Paloma.
Just get out. She's not gonna do anything to you. Fallon ain't gonna do anything. Fallon will not.
She's pretending right now.
Mama, don't use too much.
Who's this one? Who's this?
This is Francesca.
Oh, this is.
Oh, that one's Franny.
Yeah, this is Francesca. Those, Palomino.
Ooh, spray her in the face.
give her some treats so I can get up to her and get her close. Hey, baby.